Between the cold and elevated Rockies and the vast Great Plains exists an area of Oklahoma called the Wichita Mountains. Nestled away in the valleys of this great Midwestern landscape lives wild herds of great American bison. The American bison has been flourishing for the last century, with a current population of 60 million strong. But it wasn't always like this. In 1900, due to buffalo hunters and limited regulations, the species came close to extinction, with population numbers dwindling to about 500 in existence. In 1905, with the help of Theodore Roosevelt, conservationist William T. Hornaday started the American Bison Society in an effort to protect the species from extinction. In 1907, 15 of the strongest bison in captivity were pulled from the New York Zoo and transported by train to the Wichita National Forest and Game Preserve in Oklahoma. The bison were protected, left alone to breed, and within 80 years, their population numbers exploded. In today's world, mostly due to human interaction and development, more and more animal species draw closer to extinction every day. Species like rhinoceroses, tigers, elephants, orangutans, sea turtles, all on the critically endangered list. Each of these species has its own set of problems and reasons for decreasing population numbers, and every endangered species will require a unique solution for repopulation. But these animals need fighters. They need creative thinkers to set these dying species up for success. And with some team effort and just a few resources, we can save these beautiful creatures and create a better world for our children. Like William T. Hornaday and Teddy Roosevelt, you too can make a difference.